Welcome to the Logic Series Video Tutorial Getting Started Guide. These video clips will help assist in setting up your logic system for first-time use. In this section, we'll cover basic scanning techniques. To enhance the safety of ultrasound imaging, the Alara principle should always be utilized, as low as reasonably achievable. Several functions like output power, mechanical and thermal index allow us to monitor this principle. On the Expert series, the power output knob is located on the far left toggle below the imaging touchscreen. On the monitor, the power percentage display, AO percentage, on the upper right side of the imaging screen below the dynamic or DR setting. On other logic systems, the location may vary. One of the goals of a sonographer is that we strive to provide optimal imaging. Let's look at a few of the 2D features that the logic offers. Adjusting the overall brightness and darkness of an image by turning this knob. It is located on the right side of the console just above the freeze key. Focal zone is often a key we sometimes forget to adjust. We can determine the level of focus when we look for the focal zone indicator on the edge of the monitor screen. Place the focal zone at or just below the area of interest. To increase the number of focal zones, use the far right toggle switch located underneath the touchscreen and twist clockwise to increase number, counterclockwise to decrease. To move the focus up or down on the screen, use the same toggle. Note, when increasing the number of focal zones, this will decrease the frame rate of your image. The Logic E9 works very well with a single focal zone, with the exception of the matrix probe, the ML6-15. It requires 2 focal zones to activate all crystals. The depth toggle is located on the right side of the console just below the probe holder. A more shallow depth will provide a faster frame rate. Sector width angle can also be adjusted on the logic system. This allows the user to narrow the sector angle, providing increased frame rates, or open wider to allow for more anatomy to be visualized. You can tilt the sector angle by deactivating crossbeam and selecting Tilt on the north trackball key, then use the trackball to tilt the image from side to side. The last classic feature we will discuss is multiple levels of logic frequencies. The different frequency levels may be adjusted to provide enhanced resolution with our Harmonics high frequency, or adjusted to provide boosted penetration with our lower penetration frequencies. Harmonics imaging utilizes technology that provides optimal resolution for our images. Multiple harmonic frequencies change depending on the probe type and can be adjusted while in harmonics by pressing the frequency toggle key up or down to choose the desired levels. To access the fundamental frequencies, simply deactivate the CHI or Harmonics button, which offers lower frequency options for greater penetration. Thanks for visiting the Logic Club video tutorials. Please come back soon for more tips on how to use your logic system.